Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how we can fix the problem. First thing first, you need to go to the device manager. You can go to the search menu and just search for the device manager. This one, you can open the device manager and you're going to go to the universal serial bus controllers and you have to double click on it, and here you will have some options and you need to select this option, host controller. Maybe this option will be different on each computer, but you need to select where it says host controller. You can right click on it and select update driver. Okay, and you're going to select browse my computer for drivers, and you need to click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Alright, and then you're going to click on your model and then click on next. Okay, and I guess that's all the way to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this tutorial will work on your computer. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.